So I like to start my day off with some coffee. That really helps to get me going for the day. And I just kind of have that brewing, and in the meantime I'm going to start my breakfast. And usually I'll have a bowl of oatmeal. It's super quick to make. I just fill that up. I add some hot water and some fresh fruit, and you can do a variety. You can do strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. You can mix them all up, but basically I like to add just as many toppings as I want, just to make it really filling. I add cinnamon and nutmeg just to make it really flavorful, and sometimes I go ahead and add a little bit of vanilla extract. It makes it taste so good, and it really gives me a lot of energy for the day, especially, breastfeeding exclusively. It really takes a lot out of you, so I really need something to get me going first thing in the morning. So I throw that in the microwave for about 60 seconds and it's usually ready. It only takes me maybe 10 minutes tops to kind of get everything, so I need to be in and out of the kitchen as quickly as I can. And that's pretty much it. I add maybe like a spoon or two of granola, and it really gives a nice crunch to my oatmeal. I started using this almond milk creamer, which is really good. For snack, I'm going to have this blueberry yogurt, and I add a scoop of granola in this as well, and that's really yummy. Really nice snack to have in the middle of the day. Okay, so moving on to lunch. So for lunch, I'm having a chicken salad. I'm using this pre-made salad pack. It pretty much comes with everything, and I have some chicken here that I got from Costco. Take about a cup of that, and I heat that up in my air fryer for about 8 minutes. And while that's cooking, I go ahead and prepare my salad. So I'm gonna just take the salad, put that in, and it comes with corn, it comes with shredded cheese, and avocado. So I just take everything and put it on there just as much as I want, and I usually make a really big bowl of this just to help carry me through. So I'm gonna add in the corn and then the shredded cheese, and then I just go ahead and drizzle the avocado dressing on there, and it's super delicious. So you could have it like this, and you can add basically whatever meat you want. You can do this with fish. Here I'm using chicken, but you can also add tofu just as a substitute. But it's super filling for me. So that's pretty much it. I mean, this meal total took me about 10 minutes maybe, but really simple and easy, and effortless basically is what I'm going for. But it's super delicious and very filling, and I like to pair it up with some ginger beer and maybe a cookie or two. Okay, for snack, I'm gonna have this Nature Valley sweet and salty peanut granola bar. Yes, I eat a lot of granola. That's really good. Dinner pretty much was made by my husband. We're gonna have that with some homemade dinner rolls, and I make it really simple. I just add some Dijon mustard with onions, and I'm just gonna go ahead and have that with some sparkling water. Really good. Just a simple dinner for me. So I'm here just listening to Sade. I love her so much. So that just helps to kind of, give me some time to myself, although my son likes to hang out with me while I eat, but it really just helps to help me unwind for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like these, and I'll see you in my next one.